A taxi operator was shot dead on Saturday evening in Linstead, St. Catherine. The deceased have been identified as Keon Bartley, otherwise called Rim Ed. Observers online understand that Bartley's body was found lying next to his car in a pool of blood in Banbury district in the parish sometime after noon. The body had what appeared to be several gunshot wounds. 3 persons are now in police custody after the detectives assigned to the St. Anne Police Division found a firearm and several rounds of ammunition in a concrete structure in Tranquility Valley, Brownstown in the parish on Saturday. Reports from the Brownstown police are that about 11:30 p.m., lawmen conducted an operation in the area where a building was searched. During the search, a Glock 19 pistol with a magazine containing 99mm rounds of ammunition was found inside a concrete structure. The identities of those arrested are being withheld pending further investigations. A 53-year-old man has been slapped with several charges including possession of cocaine, as investigators from the Firearm and Narcotics Investigation Division seized 4 kilograms of cocaine valued at over $18 million at the Sangsters International Airport in Montego Bay, St. James. Charge is Thomas Edwards of Hatfield, Manchester. Reports indicate at about 5:10 p.m. Edwards was stopped by FNID operatives while attempting to board a flight to Heathrow, England. After a preliminary interview and a search of his luggage, the cocaine was allegedly discovered concealed in false compartments. He was subsequently taken into police custody. In addition to the possession charge, Edwards also faced charges of dealing in cocaine, attempting to export cocaine, and conspiracy to export cocaine. Edwards was interviewed in the presence of his attorney on Friday, May 26, and is scheduled to appear before the St. James Parish Court on Wednesday, May 29.